Y'all, I just got back from work and I am tired. I wanted to make this video right now while I'm tired, so I want to make a point. I just worked a 12-hour day. Not the first time, probably won't be the last time. But for those of you that are subscribing to my channel and you're new to me, The Real Teddy Talks, you probably are hearing on my cryptocurrency talk and you're missing the first part of what I used to talk about, which is my 365-day exit strategy. That is my website, 365dayexitstrategy.com, and it's all about breaking free from the traditional 9 to 5 to pursue your dream, pursue your side hustle, pursue your passion, pursue that thing that's going to keep you from being locked into the JOB. I've had my JOB for decades now. It's been good to me, but I know it is time to move on and move on to other things. I just cannot wait for the day when I can work a 12-hour day only for myself. Those of you that have bought my cryptocurrency course, I claps and shout outs to you. Thank you. Because you are showing me that I can do it. And you're showing yourself that you can do it too. Now is the time. If you are considering doing something that makes you feel uncomfortable, it makes you step outside of your comfort zone and try something that maybe no one around you has done before or you've never experienced before, please do it now. This helps me live my 365-day exit strategy because I want out of the JOB. I want out of the tradition. I want out of the generational curse that is you go to school, you graduate, you may go to college, you graduate, and you get a JOB and you work for someone for indefinitely. Like, that is not the business. That's not the business. I spent 12 hours away from my family, away from my husband, away from my kids, and away from myself, and away from my passions. Then I come home, dark, as you can see behind me, in the middle of the night, and I have to show attention to my kids, show attention to my husband, and then after all that, I'm going to make sure I grind it out, making more courses, providing more value, answering more comments on YouTube, because I care about y'all and I care about myself. So I wanted to make this video and let you know if you're thinking about doing something different, do it. If you're thinking about stepping outside your comfort zone, do it, because it's so worth it. Invest in cryptocurrency. Invest in it even though it makes you uncomfortable and it's new and you don't understand it. Buy my course, then you'll understand it better. Invest in the stock market, even though your parents never did or your grandparents never did. Start a business, even though you're not sure how. That's my next class. I'm going to make a course on start a business with confidence, and that's coming. I think I'm going to give myself 1 month. You know why? Because I'm pumped up. I want to give it to you. I want you to know that you can have it. You can start a business. You can do whatever you want to do. So keep grinding it out. Grind it out on that 9 to 5. Do your thing. Do your thizzle. Just know that there is more and there is better waiting for you. Invest in yourself 1% a day and find your exponential greatness. Just want to drop you a little knowledge tonight before I go to bed because I'm tired. But take care. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.